little later model classic car. Luxury vehicle, 1995 Lincoln Town Car, Signature Series sedan, and just shy of 58,000 original miles on this car. Underneath the hood, 4.6 liter V8 that is paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles at that 50,000 or 57,009, I believe it is. We'll check it out when we start it up. Let you see the interior, check underneath the hood, take a listen to it. As you can see, front fascia, grille, headlight surrounds. See the condition that they are in. Same with the paint on this car. You can tell it's been adult owned and driven, well taken care of, stored indoors. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. One of the things, take a look at the bottoms of the doors. I have pictures of the bottoms of the doors. You want to see if a car's, rust free, clean, how they clean a car, detail it. Take care of it, present owners. Look at the undersides of doors of cars. Phone number 507-386-1726. So take a look up and down the passenger side. As you can see, pretty much free of much of any nicks, dings, or scratches. The one thing I did notice is we do have just kind of like a little pitting on this strip where it shows some imperfections up and down where it's aged a little bit. Other than that, wow, this is clean. Interior is a blue leather, and that's as clean as the outside, well taken care of. We'll check that out in a little bit. FYI, along with the purchase of this vehicle, there are 2 extra Firestone tires that will go with it. These were discontinued that are on the car. They do match the pair that will go with it. Also, there are extra window switch. So there is an extra window switch. Key fob, extra keys. Key fob does need to be programmed. Owner's manual, miscellaneous manuals are also with this, as well as the permanent keyless entry code that's in the owner's manual. So you'll see those things in the still pictures. They are included in the purchase of this vehicle shipped in the trunk of the car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Something else I want to mention on this vehicle is lots of times when these aged, you started to see the auto leveling, the air ride control in the rear of this vehicle would leak, and they leak down. Very expensive to replace. This one has had the conversion done to it. You will not have any more leaking air shocks or air ride out of the rear of this car. It has had the conversion done, new shocks, everything put on the way it should be. And again, you can see the still pictures from every angle, inside and out, top to bottom, bottom to top. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's take a look down the driver's side, and then we'll take a look at the interior of this car. Of course, you're going to have your power locks, power mirrors, power windows, seats, both sides are power, your keyless entry, your keypad to get in, and again, the permanent code for that is in the glove box with the owner's manual. Trunk release, fuel door release, memory seating, steering wheel controls for cruise, and of course the HVAC or temperature and fan controls. AC does blow cold, is electronic climate control. You also have steering wheel controls for the radio and sound. This flashing right there is an anti-theft light, by the way. All right, so let's take a look at the leather here quick. What you would expect from a car with this kind of miles. Look at the interior, not worn in the bolster area, seating area, also very nice shape. Basically wears like a high quality leather shoe where you start to get the wrinkles from where the leather folds, or like a leather jacket. Same way the interiors are in these cars, in a nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run, and we'll check out that engine bay. course, that 4.6 liter single overhead cam, 281 cubic inch V8. All right, now you are going to have a check air ride suspension. Flash a little bit because remember, it was converted. Regular shocks. There's your miles, 57,994. You can see all the gauges work. No other warning indicators. Check engine lights, service engine, anything like that on. AM FM cassette. Climate control. And again, AC does go cold. It's actually freezing me out of here. Let's turn that off. Clock in working order. And take a look at the dash. You can tell this car has been stored indoors. Radio works. All right. Headliner real quick. Also in good shape.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at that hood liner. How clean it is. Doesn't look like this has been driven in much for inclement weather. There it is, stock looking engine bay. Don't see any modifications really been done to this. There's also a booklet or a little folder of the seats that will go with this car. Some of the things I can tell you that were done service-wise, not too far back, I believe it was 2016, was that rear shocks converted into plugs, tie rods, front and rear brake and rotors just due to age. Previous owner wanted brake and rotors on it. Sometimes with age they start to get a little corrosion or what have you. Wanted it braking nice and smooth and true. A lot of receipts for lube oil and filters also. So, you know, this has been a well taken care of car, and it shows by looking at it. And again, if you want to look at those still pictures, so you can see what I'm talking about, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It can take you right there. Of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.